Hi guys, I want to tell you about my latest Amazon purchase, which is this oil set. In this set it came with 4 bottles, nice glass, which I really like. I don't like using plastic a whole lot. And then came with 5 mouths for the top. You just stick them right in, and then you can close them or open them. I don't have to worry about them leaking. Also had an oil funnel, and then I can put these labels on. So one's vinegar, soy sauce, cooking wine, and oil. And then there's also 4 different ones as well. So, you know, I might use one that says olive oil because that's why I bought the set. When I use olive oil from the store, the spigot at the top is too wide, so I can't have a nice drizzle over vegetables. So I really like this set. All right, I'm gonna try this out. Ooh, that comes out in a nice flow. I really like this. So if you're looking for oil diffuser set, check this out on Amazon.